Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Conair Double Ceramic Hair Dryer. White and gold. First of all, I love the color. Seriously, look at this. Very classy, very chic. So it has two levels of speed, so low and high, and three levels of heat settings, so cool, warm and hot depending of their hair type. So I'm gonna turn it on. It's not very noisy. I'm gonna try a little bit. My hair is not completely dry. It's still wet. So this is the Conair Double Ceramic Hair Dryer and I absolutely love it. See you guys for another review. Please like and comment and subscribe. Bye.